We're talking today about a back injury for the law and you. Back with us as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
Good to see you.
All right, we have a question, time to get to work, and we're talking about a back injury. This is from Jack in Freeland. He says, I have been on workers' compensation for the last 4 months due to a back injury. My boss is now telling me I have to go back to work, but my back is still hurting. Do I have to go back to work? What could Jack in Freeland do here in this situation?
Well, Jack, let's get one thing straight. It's probably not your boss that's telling you to go back to work. It's probably the insurance company, the workers' compensation insurance company that your boss has. And their job, their only job, is to close the comp claim as quickly as possible, get you off the comp rolls, and they want to get you back to work. They don't really care about your back in this situation. You're beyond the 90-day statutory period for which you have to treat with the comp doctors. So what you can do is go to a doctor of your own choosing at this particular point, and if that doctor says that you're not able to work, you don't have to go back to work. You're going to have to fight, this comp claim, and let Greg talk a little bit about what that is going to entail, but you're not going to have to listen just because they say so.
Right, and with regard to the time frame that we're in, you said it's 4 months, so under the comp they have to make a decision with 90 days. You need to find out what's been filed with the Bureau because there's different documents that have to be filed to acknowledge your injuries. A notice of compensation payable, a temporary notice of compensation payable, a denial of the claim. They have to make some decision. You don't. It sounds like you don't know that. So obviously you're going to have to reach out to get a lawyer to find out exactly what they're saying. Just because someone's saying you have to go back to work, it doesn't necessarily doesn't mean you have to. So it's really important for you to you get your document. Well, yeah, if you're hurt and you have and you're not feeling, because here's the problem. I see it all the time. People go back to work too soon and they make it a million times worse, and then they're permanently, totally disabled forever.
Yeah.
All right, it sounds like if you're injured on the job, the best thing to do is to consult an attorney. It's a very complex situation. How can our viewers reach you guys?
We do a ton of it. It's you can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Yeah, or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a workers' compensation question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. But just pick up the phone, call somebody that does this work. We do a ton of it, and we can walk you through the process of getting the documents and then making sure that you're doing the right thing for your health.
All right, the awards continue to pile up for these guys. Results matter with Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much. Don't forget, we can hear from you on our PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the Law and You hotline.